Go ahead and get a check of the numbers here. So obviously snowfall here in southern Arizona. Not much, maybe an inch atop Mount Lemmon at best, is judging from some of the web cameras yesterday. They're at 33 right now. In fact, we're colder at the airport than the peaks of the Santa Catalina Mountains. 31 at our KVOA studios and 34 in Oro Valley. By the way, the airport's been as low as 30. That's good for the third freeze of the season for the Old Pueblo. We do have some delays on your Travelcast, and they're being reported of all places at Sky Harbor, probably due to volume at the moment. They're in the low 40s right now, upper 50s Houston, upper 40s Chicago, O'Hare, and Atlanta. We're going to watch Chicago as well as Minneapolis, St. Paul today for future delays. And the reason being the storm system that kicked through us yesterday, or rather on Saturday, is now into the upper Midwest. We have heavy snow falling from Minneapolis, St. Paul down to South Dakota, portions of Nebraska and Kansas. Meanwhile, showers tapering off in Chicago, but when we get gusty winds into portions of the Great Lakes, that can hang up some flights, so do be aware of that. Chicago and Minneapolis. Meanwhile, as we head toward the desert southwest, clouds increasing off to our west. Part of a weak storm system that'll slide along the border and settle in just south of us over the next couple of days. And what that's going to mean to the forecast here is occasional breezes around 5 to 15 miles per hour prevailing out of the east for your Monday, Tuesday, and perhaps Wednesday as well. A few spots could be locally breezy, talking 20-mile-per-hour gusts on occasion, and that would include places like Vail, Corona de Tucson, as well as the east side. Once we get beyond Wednesday, as that storm system pulls away from the state, the breezes come down just a bit. 60 your daytime high on this Monday afternoon, partly cloudy skies prevailing, and temperatures running about 5 to 7 degrees below average for this time of year. Not quite as cold overnight, low to mid 30s across Metro Tucson. We're back to the low to mid 70s Wednesday and Thursday, and then a slight dip in those temperatures heading toward the weekend before we bounce back to the mid 70s on Sunday.